How's it going, my techie nation? Realme is preparing to launch a new smartphone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, and it will be called the Realme Neo 7 SE. This chipset is the first mid-range Android chipset in its class, with a processor consisting entirely of large cores. The Realme Neo 7 SE has already received TINA certification, and today we're getting a first look at the design, which closely resembles the Neo 6 series. The Realme Neo 7 SE is expected to launch in February. In other news, Redmi has announced that their upcoming Redmi Turbo 4 will be the first smartphone to feature the new Dimensity 8400 chipset. The Turbo 4 will come with a customized version of the chip, the Dimensity 8400 Ultra, and it will offer AI-powered features like context-based reply suggestions, media generation, AI recording, and translation. As for the Realme Neo 7, it is equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery. More details about the Neo 7 SE are expected to surface soon, with an official launch likely to happen in China in January 2025. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, Techie Nation.